Welding guide script ***. When welding two-channel steels directly like this, misalignment or deformation is likely. To prevent this, you can tack weld a guide channel steel onto the fixed one first. Then, press the channel steel that needs to be welded tightly against this guide. This method ensures that the welded steel stays straight and aligned with the circular structure without drifting. The guide channel acts like a positioning mold, eliminating the need to constantly hold it in place, perfect for solo work. One person can manage a task usually done by two. Once welding is done and cooled, just cut off the guide piece. Since angle steel has a built-in 90-degree inner corner, if you weld them perpendicularly without modification, interference occurs and full contact isn't possible. To address this, cut a notch into the end of the x-axis angle steel so the y-axis angle steel can fit snugly into it. This allows a true right angle joint, not just by fillet welding or tack welding. The independent angle steel can now be welded vertically, tightly along the upper edges of both angle steels. When two steel rods are pressed directly together, the melted metal from the welding rod struggles to penetrate, leading to weak or fake welds. To solve this, leave a small gap between the rods, roughly equal to the diameter of the welding rod. Use arc welding and move the rod back and forth along the gap to fill it with molten metal, fusing both rods. This creates a high-strength joint that meets structural stress requirements. For base welding two steel plates at a corner, the principle is the same. But here, you don't need to leave a gap because the corner already forms a triangular groove. Using a 2.6 mm welding rod and an 80 amp current, guide the rod into that groove and move it steadily, so the molten metal naturally fills it. As you proceed, slag floats up, metal deposits, and a neat triangular weld forms. Once finished and cleaned, you'll get a solid external corner weld.